Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your very own Flash token on both the ERC20 and TRC20 networks. To get started, you'll need a specific amount of ETH. I'm using 0.12 ETH for this demonstration. With this investment, we can generate around 70,000 Flash USDT tokens. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Remix and create a new file named usdt.sol. Paste the code that you'll find in the description into this file. Next, navigate to the compilation section, select version 0.6.6 plus, and hit the compile button. You should see that everything compiles successfully. Now, let's move to the deployment section. The first step is to connect your wallet. Choose Wallet Connect and link your wallet. I highly recommend using MetaMask, as I've encountered fewer issues with it compared to other wallets. In the token name field, enter the name of your token. For this example, I'll use USDT. In the token symbol field, specify the type of network. I'm using ERC20 for this demonstration. If you're creating TRC tokens, simply input TRC20 instead. Click on the Transact button, and when the window appears, round your number to the nearest whole integer to avoid any gas-related errors during transaction confirmation. Now, we'll wait for the confirmation. Great. The transaction was successful, and we've created our contract. I'll show you the contract details so you can verify that it's legitimate. Now that we can see our contract, the next step is to fund it. Copy the contract address and transfer 0.12 ETH to it. Just a quick reminder, sending less than this amount might lead to complications. Once again, we'll wait for confirmation. The transaction has been confirmed and we're almost there. Just wait for the balance to show up. Now click the Start button. Again, round the value to a whole number and confirm the transaction. We can see that our tokens have been successfully created. The final step is to withdraw them. Click Withdraw and follow the same steps as before. After a moment, everything will be confirmed. Let's check our balance now. We can see that our tokens have been successfully created. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram at LairFlash.